Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and today we are checking out this absolutely amazing portable grinder, chopper, and blender from Grito. So you guys, I have this charging right now. It's plugged in right to the back with USB. So you'll notice now I can use it and take it anywhere. You can take it camping, you can take it to the office, to the gym, wherever, or just have it out on your countertop and not have to worry about tons of cords and wires and things like that. So this is the basic design of this really incredible device that does so much. We're talking all of your grinding, all of your chopping, all of your blending. These are the accessories that it comes with: your blending cup, your grinding cup, and this amazing food processing bowl. This is made out of glass. You'll notice when you take it out of the box, it's really heavy duty, really high quality stuff here, you guys. You are also going to get this lid that fits on to your blending cup. That way, if you are on the go, you're at the gym, you are at the office, wherever, and you make your smoothie, you make your protein shake, you can easily switch from actually blending mode to using this as your cup when you're on the go. So you don't even have to dirty up another dish, anything like that. They really thought of everything. They hook you up with all of the accessories you need. So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys just how the grinder works with some coffee beans. So I have my grinder, like it says grinder right here, grinding container. I'm going to open it up, pour in some coffee beans. Coffee beans smell so good, and I know they're gonna smell even better when I have fresh ground coffee. Let's start with this. Screw this back on. Flip this top right here. You'll notice the bottom is anti-slip, so you don't really have to worry about it going anywhere. And there's little notches on the inside that you'll notice match up with the notches on the lid of your grinder and your blender. It's really the exact same setup. So once you get familiar with one, you'll know how to do the other. Put this down in here. You'll know, you'll feel when it latches on and that it's in the right spot. And there's only one button, so you don't have to worry about a lot of complicated things. There's only just one button to push. Boom, that quickly. I have fresh ground coffee beans, you guys. That works so quickly. I mean, just a few seconds. It smells so good. Totally amazing. One of the fastest coffee grinders that I've used. That thing is super powerful, you guys. That is a heavy duty coffee grinder. So now you guys, we've tested out the grinder. Let's test out this chopper. So I have the ingredients right here to make some salsa, but I want to start off with some pico de gallo, kind of a more chunky salsa, and then I'm going to blend up half of it for more of a smooth restaurant style. So that way, you know, we can just really test out the versatility of this Grito 3-in-1 and show you it chops, it also blends. We've already seen that is an amazing grinder. I think that took like 4 seconds. It's incredible. So let's start doing some chopping, and that actually works on the other side. So on your top side right here, you have your grinding and your blending. We'll go back to the blending for the end of our salsa, but for now, let's switch over to chopping mode. So what we're gonna do is take off the anti-slip bottom of this, and we are going to use this as a top right here for our food processor. So you have your top on here. It pops right off. There's like some like silicone bumper to make sure everything fits on there really nice and tight and snug. You'll see there's a max fill line of 300 milliliters, so you want to pay attention to that. And I am just going to throw in a couple of tomatoes. We're gonna chop them up. So your lid fits right down on there, nice and tight. And then again, we just have our one button. And I'm just gonna do a couple chops. You'll notice the food processing part is really very quiet. I'm just going to chop these right up. So now let's try some jalapenos. Chop this right down and chop these up. Look at this. We have diced jalapenos to add to our salsa. Beautiful. So up next, let's try some of these onions and see how they do. Oh my gosh! Check that out! Chopped in seconds, you guys. Incredible! This is amazing. Going to do this other onion here. Snaps right on. Diced onions in seconds. So freaking cool. Pretty incredible. Our salsa is really looking good over here. Oh my goodness, so colorful. All right, lastly, you guys, I'm going to chop some garlic. Let's see how quickly we can get chopped garlic with the Griccio 3-in-1 portable chopper. Whoa, it's like a garlic tornado in there. That is incredible. I think we could go smaller if I wanted to, but I kind of like the bigger chunks. Amazing diced garlic in seconds. And check this out, you guys. We have beautiful, fresh salsa from Griccio in seconds. You saw how easy it was for me to chop tomatoes, onions, peppers, garlic in seconds. Any of your cooking needs, this is going to make it so much easier to chop all of your fresh fruits and vegetables. But I promised you guys we were gonna check out that blender one more time. You can tell that this is kind of, you know, a nice like chunky salsa, but I know some people like that really smooth, like restaurant style salsa. So what I'm gonna do to test this out is we're gonna put just a little bit here in the blender and see what the Griccio can do for us. Some of this, a little of this, maybe just a little bit more. All right, there's a max fill line on here as well that you'll want to pay attention to, 350 milliliters. I don't think we're even close to that. Screw this on. We are going to also put our non-slip bottom back on. Now that we're not using the chopper, we are back to blend mode up top. Open this up. It's going to snap on exactly how your grinder did. So we're going to snap this on nice and snug, and here we go. Incredible, you guys. Smooth, amazing salsa in seconds. You guys heard how quiet that blend mode is. It's totally incredible how quickly we were able to chop, how quickly we were able to grind those coffee beans. That was insane. Like, all of those coffee beans are totally ground and ready to go, smelling amazing in like 3 seconds. It's totally incredible. And you guys, again, this is all portable. Charge it up, take it wherever, use it a million different ways. Remember, you also have your portable lid for your blender if you're using this for a shake or something like that. I am so obsessed. I love Griccio. They are a fantastic brand. I love their products. This is completely an amazing kitchen gadget that anyone would love as a gift. It's gonna just, you know, make your cooking and your days go so much faster and better, make it easy to make really healthy, amazing foods. Go ahead, you guys, definitely check out Griccio, pick up one of these amazing portable 3-in-1 chopper, grinder, blenders. You're gonna be really happy you did. I'm gonna go have some chips and salsa. Adios, amigos.